Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep. Today, explain about my caption project, App Store, Exploratory Data Analysis, Play Store Apps Review. This is my problem summary. This is my guidelines. The problem statements is top category app stores. What is the top categories? What is the top reviews and installations and user guidelines, types of reviews, top 10 review by the Play Stores, etc. This is my GitHub link. First, we import our libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. First, we mount our data set to connect our drive. Uh, to import our data sets like Play Store reviews and user reviews. First, we Play Store.df. df means data frame, apps categories, reviews, size, installation type, and etc. The second one is user reviews.data frame, apps reviews and settlement populations, and etc. Uh, let count. Uh, let's count rows and columns. Uh, Columns and rows as we find we have the total values like 1 lakh 841,013 columns. The columns of rows is equal to 64,295 and 5 columns. Let explore our two data frame sets. Index of the data frame, the print dot Play Store reviews as be shown in the figure. Apps category, ratings, reviews, size, and etc. The Play Store.df, we got the information of our data like data types, columns, null values. We have find all the values. User by the reviews by df.info as is shown in the figure. And rows and columns of the df.shape we shown. The categorical data has been shown in the figure just like the top 5 columns and the top 2 columns. Find out the blowing details, apps, categories, rates, reviews, size, installation types, price, and categorical rating genuines. And let our exploration of the data reviews user review database is equal to 64,295 reviews as we shown as we spoken in this time. We use our data top the two rows of the df data frame. The as we shown the top 5 the data frame structures, and we collect our data top 5 the data the user of the columns. We find out our data set. We use this app and the transformation reviews and settlement properties and settlement of subsidiaries. Find we more our allocated our data as we show on the figure, and they let's coming out to the information of these reviews of our data set. Classes of the panda core from the data frame as we shown in the figure. Find out the duplicate value. The duplicate value is df and duplicate the print the return values. The duplicate values there are duplicate values are 1,181 duplicate values over here, and we shown the Play Store has been they drop them. You can also use the each duplicate value, each column we have the drop them, and we find this the values. And the Play Store has the duplicate values apps and keep set in place of the true is equal to 9,659 by 11 as we shown. And next step is we import our data sets like as we shown the categorical method like data type object floats are the count the null values and the potential values. What we finding the rating has 1,474 null values, which weekly contributes 13.60% of our data. The types of one null value is contribute equal to 0.01 of the data. The content rating has been one null value which contributes 0.01 data. The contents have the 8 null values is contribute 0.07 of the data. The Android users reviews has 3 null values which contribute 0.03. Find out these. The next step we have a lot of null values and we clean out them, and we visualize the null values as we show in the figure 0.6. As we make the lot of them, the null values have the columns as we shown this. The Play Store have the reviews. Now we let the function of replacement the null values. In the above code, we definitely replace the null values which are outputs and above the functions of the d arguments of our data, and we replacement all the null values and ratings as we show in the figure as there is no null values which only we can use the null value the present types. We have the replacement with it. After we doing this, the after the columns have the check this. Sorry, we replacing the null values. After we replacing the null values as we shown this figure before, we trying the current variable of the columns, the apps and categorical rates and reviews size and installations type price and content writing. The content writing has been shown, and usually we leave the methods of the replacing the null values as we shown, and we done this the null values available for the Android version like columns. We user rated reviews have been shown the figures what we finding. The number of null values is equal to 26,868. It is contribution as much more 41%.79. It approximately 42%. Its implementations of the 26,863 contribution of the 47.48 of data set. It is the segmentations of these the null values as we shown in the figure, and we particularly find, and finally we have both C4 of the null values, and we clear up them, and the Play Store and the Play Store reset of the index drop to has shown this, and we user reviews and these are user reviews. What are the things we get our data set Play Store data set? The data set continuously the details upon the application present, the conclusion of the Play Store like names, category size, and installation. There is three columns and 10,841 rows of the dataset. Duplicate values is equal to 1,181 data values, and occupation of the data values is 1,181,000. The rating the columns of the null values is 1463, and the types of the null values is the strings are free. And the computer and the concluded our area projects has the hammerized as we shown, and the Play Store understanding the variable, the Play Store documentations as they shown in the figure, and the size and installations of the time, the proprietary findings, app categorical systems, and the null values as we shown, and let's clean the price column of the Play Store and be categorical wise like as we done the before time, and Play Store.info as we show in the figure, and we let's check out our data visualization like data visualization. Coming to the fourth part, the data visualization and problem statement and storing this experiment without the chart, understanding the relationship between, and first we import our seaborn and matplots, and first we converted into as we show in the figure like top categories of the Play Store like family, gaming, tools, business, medical, personal, productivity, lifestyle, finance, sports, communication, health and fitness, photography, news and reference, travels and local shopping and dating, video player, maps, navigation, education, entertainment, so on and etc. Next we conduct out the pie chart as we show in the pie chart. They will like around like a disc, and they showed with the categories wise the colors indicated to these events, auto events, comedy score or beauty dot green as shown in the figure, and the number of apps of the categorical wise, family, games, tools, and fitness and medication, so etc. And this the family chart will be using about this chart can be information decision of the target of the categorical which popular to before this among this lot of applications are installed. The most applications are installed on the Play Store is mainly the most gaming and communication tools and productivity. These are mostly people are uh, is installing. The percentage of the reviews, the and bold text has been shown the positive reviews and negative reviews and natural reviews. Positive reviews are 64% and negative reviews are 21%, and natural reviews are 14.35%. Have been shown under the categorical the content right. The everyone has been shown the teenagers have made top 10. The fifth part is the paid and free apps. Paid apps are only 8%, and the free apps is 92%. The free apps occupancy is very high in this app store. And the sixth is the top most app reviews on the Play Store. There is Facebook, WhatsApp Messenger, Instagram, Messenger, and Cash of Clients and Clean Master, Subway Surfers, YouTube. The most categories on as we shown the gaming category. The structural goals as the substitution. This is the distribution of the subsidiary of the structural graph. We we use the ratings between range and reviews. The ninth plot is the installation number of types according to the blue is negative, orange is neutral, green is positive one. Have shown the 10th plot is the candlestick plot. As we shown in the candlestick plot, the rate of these every one of the category. And the 11th one, as we shown in the figure, the top 10 rated categories of the Play Store. The 12th one is the top rated apps, as we shown the this distribution of the rating. The the 13th one is pair plot. The pair plot is the correlation between these all plots, like as we shown in the figure. 15th one is a heat map. It is a combination of the data set as we shown in the figure. The size, rate, and MBs have we shown. Finally, finally, the 51 one, the solution of this business opportunity. The top one, the top categories of the aptitude have been shown. These are my reviews. The conclusion is the product is analysis of the Play Store and applications. We worked on the several parameters. I would like to help the business launching their apps. The interface of the more problem statements, the data cleaning in the order, ensuring they given the best result of our analysis. In a new entrepreneur, focus on developing app related the latest categorical most explored must time live events and beauty. Mostly apps are free, focusing the free apps are important and increasing the efficiency. They need to mind segment are using verifying the app should be focused more of the users need the future. This is my conclusion. Thank you so much.